Hey everyone, want to use Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge? Read Aloud is a built-in accessibility feature that reads web pages, PDF documents, and other supported content out loud using natural-sounding voices. It's great for studying, multitasking, proofreading, or making online content easier to follow. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge in 2026, so let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge and open the web page or PDF document you want to listen to. Yeah, Read Aloud works with most web pages, and many PDF files open directly in Edge. Next, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Read Aloud, or use the Read Aloud option from the browser toolbar or menu, depending on your version of Microsoft Edge. The browser will immediately begin reading the page aloud. Now use the playback controls to pause, resume, skip forward, or return to previous sections. You can easily control the reading without leaving the web page. Click voice options to customize the reading experience. You can choose from different available voices and adjust the reading speed until it feels comfortable for you. Read Aloud is especially useful for long articles, ebooks, reports, and PDF documents. Instead of reading everything manually, you can listen while taking notes, working, or relaxing. When you're finished, simply click the close or stop button in the playback controls. You can restart Read Aloud at any time from the same page or another supported document. For the best experience, experiment with different voices and reading speeds. Use Read Aloud while reviewing long documents. Combine it with Immersive Reader when available. And keep Microsoft Edge updated for the latest voice improvements. These features can make reading faster, easier, and more enjoyable. And that's how to use Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're studying, proofreading, listening to articles, or making content more accessible, Read Aloud is a powerful feature built right into the browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.